Okay, so the incline chest press machine. Now there's lots of different types of these machines. The one we've got here today is what's called a dual machine, which means it does chest press and shoulder press. So the seat and the handles can be in a different position depending on what has been used prior to you using it. So the first thing we need to adjust is the seat. We can see here it's completely upright in a shoulder press position. We want it in a chest press position. So we're going to lift the seat up, and we're going to take it so it's laid as far back as possible. That's the first adjustment we need to make. The second adjustment is the handles. Now, this controls how much range we have in the movement, which I'll explain a little bit more in a second. But we want to lower these down as low as we can get away with. And then the third adjustment is the seat down here. Now, this is going to line up these handles with our chest. So we want to make sure wherever our hands are, they're in line with the midline of our chest. So if I hire this up as high as it goes and hold these handles here, we can see that my hands are much lower than my chest. The seat is too high, so I need to lower that down a little bit. So I'll lower that down to probably the next choice down, and then we can see that pretty much my hands are in line with the midline of my chest here, and I'm going to hold this handle here. We could hold this one as well if the seat was a little bit higher, so there's just a couple of different options to suit the height of different people, okay? So this is the position we need to be in. Just adjust that weight slightly. So we need these handles down as low as we can get away with so we get a good range of motion. So from here, I push up, I can lower down, I can get a good stretch on the chest without the weights banging and push back up. If those handles were a little bit lower, or higher should I say, if those handles were a little bit higher, I could push up, I could perform the movement, and as I come down, I wouldn't be able to get the stretch on my chest that I want to without the weights touching down. So we need these handles down as low as we can get away with to create as much range as possible. Then when it comes to the movement, the feet are flat on the floor, the back is flat into the pad, and we make sure that our chest is stuck out. We don't want our shoulders to be rolled forward. We see how I've got my chest stuck out. We push up, we don't lock the arms out, so you can see there's a slight bend in my elbows. I come down nice and slowly, getting as much stretch as I can, coming as far as I can without the weights touching, and then push back. Again, keeping those elbows soft at the top, driving up nice and hard, slow on the way down,